All right. It's about 2 minutes to 4, so I don't think the picture is going to change much. We're just going to do a quick wrap-up right here. On the S&P, obviously, that's a very strong bar for the day, and the momentum looks good on the daily. Yet you got a little gap up. It's looking a little overextended, so I'm really expecting a retrace. Very unusual that the market continues on an uptrend like this, and this is quite aggressive. So if you're long the S&P, just be cautious and keep your eye on it. And we look at the 60-minute. And again, very bullish. These little topping dojis I really wouldn't pay attention to. Just the close of the day. But the momentum's very bullish. Market's moving up very bullish. But again, I'm finding it overextended. So I would just be cautious. But we're not going to fight it. We're going to let it run. Let it run. That's fine. I'm fine with it. I will get aggressive once I see a bit of a consolidation, though. Then Bitcoin is of interest. We're definitely getting a divergence on the daily. Can take an entry around 36,470. More conservatively, you can do the 41,125. But it's a divergence, but I would argue that the momentum is kind of neutral. Really have no opinion on the 60s. Everything's kind of neutral. I see no entry right there. Just kind of fading out. It's getting a little bad press too, so we'll just let that work itself out. Let's take a quick look at CLOV. It appears there's a lack of interest in this one. Yeah, it's a negative momentum. Looks like it's testing that support right there. If it breaks that, it'll probably test the lows around 8. It's a little slow in loading up. Very interesting market today. Kind of went sideways all afternoon and then had a nice breakout, nice morning breakout. We saw a 30-minute bull flag, and then there was no stopping it from there. And in the afternoon, it gave you another 30-minute bull flag that could have been a good entry also. But again, watch yourself on it. Watch your stops. It is overextended, and it's rare for a market to keep trending up so many days without a consolidation. Just looks neutral. Kind of feels a little bearish. I'm thinking Tuesday it's going to trade down again. That's the 60-minute on CLOV. Got the there you go, AMC. That's a 30-minute. Yeah, that momentum is not shifting. Came down and closed that gap like we said it would yesterday. I don't see any entry there. Could be making a bottom over here, maybe a trend reversal on the 60-minute, but it's really got to move in order to roll that daily momentum around. So I don't see any entry here either. Broke below that support. Looks like it might be a last kiss. I guess we'll just have to see how it plays out on Tuesday. But did a close of that gap. We did talk about that last night. If it continues down, you could expect to see it around 43.14 area. After that, I'd say it's going to make that move to close that previous gap. So if you've got profits in this thing, I wouldn't hesitate to harvest a little bit and keep some stops on this, protect your downside. Looks like the buying is losing its initiative. But you know, the play could be in. I'm talking to a lot of people who own this thing very cheap, $14, $15. They're holding out until they make that retirement money. But just remember, bears and bulls make money, pigs get slaughtered. And if you got some profits, harvest them, put them away, set up a nice trading account, learn how to trade, make some money. So anyway, that's my wrap. It's Friday before a long weekend. I actually took half a day off. So I hope everybody enjoys their weekend. And if you like what I'm doing over here, subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when I'm up and running. And hit the like. It goes a long way for me with YouTube. And visit me 9 a.m. in the morning, trade with me, and hit up the chat, and we could talk. All right? Happy trading. Talk to you soon.